It looks like a block with stickers attached to it. I'm gonna see if I can peel it. It is baked beans. Surely this should be at the bottom and then this overlaps on top of this bit. Oh, you can see the actual ingredient list. You can actually see the ingredient list and cooking instructions, just miniature version. You see the ingredients? Yeah, you can see it a little bit. I can't go ahead and make the shelf. Let's see. Looks like the Asda label's upside down for two of them. It looks like it's leaning. There's no more brackets. So look like these are the items you can get from the box and then make your own little box. So these are the items. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. And please do comment below your thoughts of this Asda mystery basket / shelf. And if you got one, how did you manage to get it to stand up? Thank you for watching.